Start with a slip knot and chain 30 plus 1 chain extra for the turning chain. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, and one single crochet in each stitch until the last stitch. Three single crochets in this last stitch. Now turn your work and start working on the opposite side. One single crochet in each and every stitch until the last stitch, and take this yarn in along with the working yarn. Three single crochets in this last stitch. And make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. This base measures around 7 inches. Next round, chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now this round onwards we'll be working only in the back loop. One back loop, half double crochet in each and every stitch. This is the back loop. Only the back loop. Once you reach, then do not make a slip stitch. We'll be working in continuous rounds. Now keep making one back loop, half double crochet in each and every stitch until it's around 7 inches in size, or else until it forms a square shape. Back loop. This is how it will look. Once you reach, then make a slip stitch on top of this first half double crochet. Now to join these two ends, keep this together and make one back loop single crochet in each and every stitch. This is the back loop and this is the back loop of the other side. Make a single crochet. Now continue. This is how it will look. Chain 10. And make a slip stitch on this bottom stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.